Hi, it's Jack from Vanshades. I'm going to show you how to install WindoPod C, which is the pair of barn doors. This is for the Ford Transit Custom in our Spectrum Signature range, which is available in 212 colours. So for the placement of the WindoPod, it should locate itself. You don't want to push it up, it wants to be sitting here basically on the lining. Our first fixing point is here, and the second one's there. Okay guys, the last fixing is through the face of the product. Now, if this were to be carpeted, I'd make a small incision in the carpet in the shape of a V, peel the carpet back, blind fix the screw, and then push the carpet back over. As this is the Spectrum Signature range, we're just going straight into the product. I've got a hinged screw cover cap here, which will be supplied with the fixings. And I've made a little mark on the pod, so I know where I'm going. Okay, now I'm going to fit the near side barn door. Exactly the same fixing method. Positioning the pod just to sit on top of this ply panel here. And then the last screw again down here. There you go guys, a blackout and thermally insulated WindoPod's blind system fitted in minutes. We've just finished a series of installation videos for WindoPods on the Ford Transit Custom. This product's available on our website, vanshades.co.uk. That includes the Spectrum Signature range, which is available in 212 painted colours. Before you go, I'm just going to show you the effectiveness of the blackout blind. We've got some filming lights behind this window. I'm going to shut the blind now. How's that for proof of concept?